Hello and welcome to the Concord channel. Today we will be telling you the importance about smoke alarms.
On location today we have Vivian with Lieutenant Bilal from the Concord Fire Department. Vivian, how are you?
Thank you, Daniel. We're now here on location with Lieutenant Bilal from Concord Fire Department. So what is it people should know about smoke detectors?
One of the most important things people should know about smoke detectors is that you should have a smoke detector on every floor of your home.
So when they're put up, they should just be left alone?
No, you should change the batteries in your smoke detectors every 6 months. And the easy way to remember that is to change the batteries when you change your clocks for a time change.
In the spring and in the fall?
Yes, in the spring and the fall. Another thing people should remember is to test your smoke detectors every 6 months. And you can test your smoke detectors by pressing this button until it emits a loud sound.
Thank you, Lieutenant, for all your helpful information.
You're welcome.
Now let's have a recap. Put a smoke alarm on every floor. Test smoke alarms every 30 days. Replace batteries every 6 months or when the time changes.
Thank you, Vivian. If you'd like to know more information on smoke alarms, please visit the Concord Fire Department website.